jingle bell rock. Jingle bells swing and jingle bells ring.
Hey Emojis, welcome back to my channel. Today is Vlogmas day 15, and today we're going to be trying 3 different hot chocolate recipes to see which one is the best. So I have, this one's called Simple Hot Chocolate for one. This one's coconut milk peppermint hot chocolate, which I'm just going to use normal milk because I don't have coconut milk. And then just hot chocolate for one, but by like Hershey's or something. We're going to start with the first one, which is with cocoa powder, sugar, salt, milk, and vanilla extract. So, let's get those things. Whisk. I have to put this on the stove. I had that. Okay. Whisk together the cocoa, sugar, salt, and about 2 tablespoons of milk in a small saucepan over medium-low heat until cocoa and sugar are dissolved. Whisk in the rest of the milk and heat it over medium heat, whisking occasionally until it is hot. Stir in the vanilla and serve. Okay. I'm not gonna like this. This pan, I think this will be good. Okay, I'm gonna put everything in here first. 2 tablespoons. Is this unsweetened? It is. I mean, if it wasn't, I couldn't do anything about it. So we need 2 tablespoons. Double 1. Let's do this thing. Frosting back. Who can say where the road goes, where the day... I need a mini whisk to get the size. I think it's done because I like feel heat from the top. So let's turn that off. We're gonna get a mug. This one. All right, let's pour this into there. There we go. It's not. That was only like half the cup, but whatever. Wash it out. I don't even know if I'm going to need this for the next one, so I'm just going to wash it out just in case I do. I don't think I should be near stoves. Alright, there is our hot chocolate. It looks very beautiful. You guys can't really see it, can you? I think you can. Okay, I'm just going to feel it with my fingers. Can't really taste it right now, but it's like room temperature maybe. Like I don't want it to be too hot, so let's try it. That's not bad. That's pretty good. It's really chocolatey. Yeah, it's very, very, very chocolatey. I like it though. I give it a 8 out of 10. It's pretty good. All right. Next recipe. This one's coconut milk peppermint hot chocolate. So this is 1 can, which is 15.5 ounces, but I'm probably just gonna do like half a cup maybe, because I feel like 1 cup, like, because I'm having so much hot chocolate that I feel like a whole bunch of cups, so I'm probably just gonna do like half a cup. And then I'm gonna take a little bit away from each thing, I think. I'm gonna do half a cup, and then like 1.5 tablespoons, yeah. So this one, oh, this one has maple syrup. Did we add maple syrup? I don't even know. See, there's like these bubbles, but like I can't pop them. Like I can hit them and they'll like turn smaller. Maybe it's the peppermint extract. Because I don't know what else it would be. They're gone now. It's all smooth now. Alright, so it's done. It smells so good. It smells really pepperminty. So I have this mug here. It smells so good. Oh, yeah. See, it's not that much. The peppermint's like burning my eyes. Dude, like I like it. Not like I like burning my eyes, but like it smells really good. I'm gonna set it out in case I do use it for the next one. I'm not gonna make the mistake of setting it. Okay, let's feel it with my finger, how hot it is. It's not hot. Okay, ready? Okay. I think I did the mistake. I think I put too much peppermint extract because like all I can taste is the peppermint. I got a piece of cocoa. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of extra cocoa powder. And just mix that in. Hopefully it'll melt it. Okay. This would be really good if I didn't put all that peppermint. I really, really hope I saved this one. How's it feel? I might have saved it. I don't get like this really strong feeling anymore. Okay, let's try this. Okay. I still get the really strong feeling. Well, I get this feeling of like the peppermint, but it's not as big anymore. I don't really taste the chocolate anymore, but it's pretty good. So I feel it was more chocolatey, which I kind of. So I'm gonna base it off if it was a little bit more chocolatey. If it was a little bit more chocolatey, I would probably give it like 9 out of 10. I think. If it was more chocolatey, because it was kind of my fault that's not that chocolatey because I added too much peppermint extract. So probably like a 8.5, I think. Well, I'm just gonna taste and like imagine if there was chocolate in it. Okay, now I'm gonna like I don't know, probably like 7.5 actually, because I just realized something. If I were to use candy canes and like actual peppermint stuff, it would taste way better. But because of the peppermint extract, this is why it tastes kind of weird. So, 7.5 out of 10. That's what this one gets. I'm really sad I couldn't save that. I'm gonna drink all these. I'm just setting them aside for now. Oh, I spilled stuff all over. All right. the last and final recipe, which we're gonna have to use water for this one. Okay, so this is like just like the bare minimum of hot chocolate. Vanilla extract, which I don't have to use. So it's just gonna be cocoa, sugar, milk, and salt. Like the bare minimum. Oh, phew, this one's in the microwave, so I don't have to do that anymore. I think we're ready, guys. I'm gonna have to like set this really slowly so that doesn't burn me. Okay, I made a winner. I declared a winner. Drum roll. This one. Okay, so I think it's because, first of all, the water, not make it as creamy. I like it way better with milk. Which could have been why, but even with milk, there's not enough flavor. This one has way more flavor to it. This one's more like basic. So if you like more basic hot cocoa, go to this one. But this one's like really rich and chocolatey. So I really like this one. So I'll put the winning recipe down below. This is second place, that one's third place. They're all very, very good. Just, this is my preferred one. So if you guys would like to see any of these, you know, you can. And I could just try this again when I actually have all the ingredients so I won't mess anything up, like the vanilla and like the milk and everything. That's all. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment down below if you want any more like requests or ideas or something. And again, if you would like to comment on a video that comments are disabled on, I don't know why the comments are disabled. I don't know why I'm moving my hands so much. I don't know why the comments are disabled. I'm still trying to figure it out. Like, I have them on, but YouTube keeps turning them off. So go to a different video that has comments on it, and then like say, hey, this is a comment for blank video. So let's say you want to comment on Vlogmas Day 7. You would say, hey, this is a comment for Vlogmas Day 7, and then just carry on with the comment. So that's what you guys can do if you'd like. And thank you so much, and I'll see you on my keyboard. Bye.